What is going on with the FTT token right now? If you are looking at this live Binance chart, you're probably wondering, is this a massive trap, or are we about to see a crazy breakout? Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are diving deep into the FTT mobile chart on Binance to see exactly where the price is heading next, and whether it's safe for you to trade this asset right now. If you look closely at the screen, we are currently analyzing the FTT/USDT pair. The price has been consolidating in a specific range. For the past few days, the market has been moving sideways, keeping everyone on their toes. There is no massive volume spike yet, but as we all know in crypto, this kind of silence usually happens right before a massive storm. The token is building up energy, compressing into a tight zone, and a big move is definitely cooking. Now, let's talk about the reality of FTT for a second, especially for my audience trading from the USA. We all know the history here. FTT is the native token of the defunct FTX exchange. That means this asset does not move based on normal utility or tech upgrades anymore. It moves purely on speculation, court news, payout rumors, and bankruptcy updates. This makes it one of the most volatile and dangerous tokens on Binance. One piece of news can pump it 50%, and another headline can crash it completely. Looking at the technicals on the mobile interface, you can see the immediate resistance sitting right at the key levels on your screen. If the bulls can push the price past this immediate resistance with strong buying volume, we could easily see a quick scalp target toward the next local highs. That would be a sweet 15 to 20% move for day traders. On the flip side, look at the support levels below. If FTT breaks down and loses this current support, then the doors open for a deeper drop. For everyone watching, my biggest advice right now is to practice strict risk management. Trading highly speculative tokens like FTT on your mobile app means you need to be lightning fast. Do not market buy blindly into green candles out of FOMO. Wait for a clean breakout, let the candle close above the key resistance on a higher time frame, and always, absolutely always, use a tight stop loss. The liquidity in these pairs can dry up in seconds, and you do not want to get stuck holding the bag. So, what is your game plan for FTT this week? Are you looking to short this current sideways movement, are you waiting to go long on a breakout, or are you staying completely away and just watching the drama unfold from the sidelines? Drop your predictions and thoughts in the comments section below, I want to see what you guys are thinking. If this quick Binance chart breakdown helped you understand the current market structure, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more daily crypto setups, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Trade smart, stay safe, and I will see you guys in the very next video.